Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Hope all is well. Welcome back to another video. So today I have the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G right here, and I wanted to do a video on this case because I actually put all my information in the phone and I'm ready to use it. So I wanted to have some protection before I get started when it comes to using this phone, because I definitely think it's going to be a solid phone, but it does have this like really nice glass material on the back that does look like it can scratch pretty easy if it's the same material as the A16 5G, which does scratch a little bit easy. But yeah, you can see I have it in this nice black color. And so yeah, this is the model right here that I'm looking at, which is 128, the awesome black color. So yeah, we're going to be taking a look at a case for this phone. If that's something that interests you, make sure you stay locked into the end of the video. And I'm going to show you where you can get this case. I'll make sure I leave a cheap link down below just in case you're interested. You could pick it up for yourself. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. All right, so this is the actual case I picked up. It's called the A36 magnetic for Samsung Galaxy A36, A56. So this will work with the A36, A56. It also does have slim translucent matte anti-fingerprint case. This is the blue color, and right here it says it's $4.99, which is one of the reasons I picked it up. A very cheap case that you could pick up. So yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. I definitely think for that price, it's kind of ridiculous. But I wanted to see if it was actually real and if it did work with the A36, just in case someone else saw it and they wanted to pick it up. So here is the case right here. It does come in a protective plastic film along with the cardboard. The cardboard does say it does offer extra protection from sudden dropping and scratch resistant. Precise design ensures no impact on wireless charging, fits snugly over the buttons and curves on your phone and without adding bulk. So you get form-fitted note for device, ultimate everyday protection, worldwide happy users. So let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic material right here. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And like I said, I just put my SIM inside of my A36. This has that matte film to it. It just feels really solid already in the hand. So you could see this is what the case is going to look like when I put it side by side next to the phone. It kind of matches the cutouts so far. There is 2 holes up there, which it does match, and it does match the cutouts on the bottom, it looks like, as well. SIM tray at the bottom. And this is going to actually offer you dual speakers, so you can see how wide the case is. It will be a little bit wider than the phone, so there will be a little bit of added bulk, but nothing too serious. And then the buttons line up perfectly, and you can see that has that little indent right here, so it kind of raises up where the volume rockers and the power button are. So when you put it on the phone, you're going to get a little bit of lip protection on here, which is good for when you're putting it flat down on a surface. Resting it on a table, it's not going to scratch the display, which is important. You also do have your camera protection, so you have a raised lip for your camera protection as well on this case. So that's definitely going to be important as well when you're actually using it. So just to have that extra camera protection for it. And then you have this MagSafe thing. I don't even know if this is wireless charge. This A36 does not wireless charge, but I think the A56 has that. So let's test out the fingerprint. Fingerprint works perfect. The phone is flying through. Let's test out the volume rocking buttons. Let's put the microphone next to it so you can hear what that sounds like. Let me just take it off of my shirt. All right, so yeah, you can see those buttons, and then, oh crap, if you press the power button a couple of times, it's gonna enter that emergency SOS feature. So yeah, don't do that unless it's really an emergency. But yeah, the case feels really clean in the hand. It feels extremely smooth, lightweight, and secure in the hand. I really like this design. It has like this really soft material to it. And for $4.99, I think this is definitely something you should try out. It feels really good. I can't even see anything that I don't like about it so far. Obviously, it's got that translucent material, so you could kind of see through it, but it's not completely transparent, because you can see right here, it doesn't let you see all the way through it, but it is translucent, so you can kind of see halfway through it. But it's easy to put on and off on the phone, and I think it's going to hold up very well if you're just looking for some protection for your Samsung Galaxy A36 or your A56. But let me know what you guys think about this case for the Samsung Galaxy A36 in the comment section. Now that I have a case, I feel confident when I'm using this device outdoors and not having to worry about drops or scuffs or scratches. And I think it will hold up well. But if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button. Show your support by hitting that button down below, and just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to, you know what I'm saying, stay locked in for more videos just like this. And I'll check you guys later, crew. I'll hit you back. Namaste.